we'll guide you through how to manage your Claude usage limit. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude dashboard by logging into your account. Once you're there, look for the settings icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open the settings menu. After that, navigate to the usage tab, which should be on the left sidebar. This section will show you a breakdown of your current usage statistics. You can see how much of your allocated limit you have used and how much is remaining. If you're close to your limit or need to adjust it, click on the Manage Plan button, which takes you to a page where you can upgrade or modify your current subscription plan to better fit your needs. Make sure to review the options available and choose a plan that gives you more flexibility if you find yourself frequently hitting the limit. Once you select a new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your subscription change. This usually involves verifying your payment details and agreeing to any new terms. It's a good idea to regularly check your usage stats to ensure you're not exceeding your limits, as this could result in additional charges or restricted access. Keeping an eye on this will help you avoid any surprises on your bill. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.